Is Panasonic Smart TV Android? Panasonic Smart TVs are not all Android-based, although some models do use the Android TV platform. Panasonic primarily uses its proprietary operating system called My Home Screen in many of its smart TVs. This system is designed to offer a user-friendly interface with quick access to apps and content. However, Panasonic has also released certain models that feature the Android TV operating system, particularly in newer models that are designed to provide a more integrated experience with Google services. Panasonic's proprietary operating system, My Home Screen. Panasonic Smart TVs are equipped with My Home Screen, which is an in-house operating system. This platform allows users to access a range of streaming services, apps, and features without relying on Android. It provides a smooth and intuitive user interface with customizable home screens and the ability to personalize content. While it does not offer the full range of features that Android TV does, it still includes access to popular apps like Netflix and YouTube. Android TV in certain Panasonic models. Some recent Panasonic Smart TVs feature Android TV, providing users with a different interface and experience. Android TV is known for its wide range of apps available through the Google Play Store, integration with Google Assistant, and support for streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+. Android TV brings the flexibility and functionality of the Android ecosystem to the television, offering a more versatile and connected user experience. Differences between My Home Screen and Android TV. The key difference between Panasonic's My Home Screen and Android TV is the ecosystem they operate in. My Home Screen is specific to Panasonic and does not support the full suite of Android applications. On the other hand, Android TV offers a vast library of apps from the Google Play Store, more seamless integration with Google services, and access to features like Google Assistant for voice control, which Panasonic TVs use Android. Panasonic Smart TVs equipped with Android TV are typically newer models, especially those targeted at markets where Android TV is popular. These models offer enhanced functionality, including the ability to download more apps, use Google Assistant for voice control, and enjoy a more dynamic and feature-rich smart TV experience. In conclusion, Panasonic Smart TVs are not universally Android-based. While many models run Panasonic's own My Home Screen operating system, there are specific models that feature Android TV, offering a more expansive range of apps and Google integrations. If you are looking for an Android TV experience specifically, check the specifications of the model before purchasing.